Welcome to this Easy Tech Fix It news channel. And One UI is that Samsung specific interface for the different Galaxy phones. Of course, if you're on a modern phone like an S20, this is already rolling out the One UI 2.5. But this week we're learning that despite a lot of people saying that there weren't supposed to be an update, One UI 2.5 is actually rolling out to older phones, including the Galaxy S9 series. So if you're the owner of one of those older phones, the Galaxy S9 series is getting the One UI 2.5 update, which is the latest UI or user interface with new gestures and actually improved way of actually working on your phone. This will be the last update available to S9 users, so take it while you can because this will make it more modern and feel more modern. These UI things sometimes are nice because they kind of give you a new feel and keeping your phone working, and you have the impression of having something a little better. So check it out. It's rolling out now. And if you don't see it, well, try it in the next few weeks. It should eventually appear on your phone. So Galaxy S9 users are now getting it. S10 users, of course, are also getting it. And the rollout is also on the S20 series. So One UI 2.5. I'll actually have a separate video where we'll show you some of the gestures and some of the new features that are interesting of the One UI 2.5. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.